sometimes I make this life thing harder than it needs to be. Not dead yet, true shit. So why do I worry about what I can't see? I've been stressing about money for my rent, but the money that I spend.
Hello, what's up? Welcome to the channel, folks. Welcome to my studio. Let's get this vlog started. So it's lovely to have you all back. Let me just zoom in here. Let's bring this closer. There we go. Yeah, welcome back. So I put out a little message on Instagram saying what video do people want to see next, and my work from home lockdown study was what people wanted to see. So that's how exciting the world is right now, that people want to see where it is that I work. Anyway, let's do it. So there's nothing too special about my office. As you guys might already know, I have a studio in the centre of town, which I normally use, but due to COVID, I've been locked out. And previously, this room used to be a bit of, a dumping ground. And so just before the lockdown, I shot out to IKEA and bought a few things. So make sure that I can keep things running on the social side of things with podcasts, videos and YouTube. And I wanted a little bit of a simple setup. So just a desk, not too much clutter, just somewhere that I could come and work and feel relaxed. So what's up on the office desk? Well, I have my laptop. I use a Razer laptop. I use it for both construction work and for doing anything creative. On there, I've got a bunch of software like Photoshop, InDesign, Adobe Premiere, which is how I edit all my videos. And then I've also got this cool Logitech mouse. It just looks cool, but it's really nice to use as well. And I also have this small office printer that I bought, which is like a mobile printer. So you can charge it up and take it anywhere with you, which is great for taking out on construction sites. It was quite expensive, but I'm super impressed with it. So if you're looking for like a really small, nice, neat printer to have on your desk, I can highly recommend this one. Next up, what else is on the desk? The hat. Yes, my hat. Let's get to that. So this hat right here stays on my desk mainly because you will see me wearing it in a lot of my YouTube videos. Second up is this lovely picture and my iPad stand. Oh, and there we go, the hand gel that everybody needs right now. A little bit of background behind the picture. Actually, I don't know too much about it, but I saw it online. It was black and white, and there was a guy who was like restoring old vintage American pictures. And I just liked it. So I bought that quite a long time ago. It was in a frame, but the frame broke. So now I'm just standing it on my desk, but eventually it is going to go up on the wall. I've got a little standard bamboo iPad holder, which to be honest, I only use to hold the iPad when I'm not using it because I have a little keypad thing. I can't show the iPad now. It's an iPad Pro 2019. Yep. And I used that to kind of formally edit, should we say, like a first draft of all my YouTube videos. I also use LumaFusion on there as my editing software, and Procreate to do sketches for any kind of ideas or concepts I have for She Who Dares Wins. And that's pretty much it. Underneath the desk is a set of drawers, and I shove in those drawers lots of things. I've got accessories for filming. I've got my folders for work and notebooks and stuff in the top one. I would show you my drawers, but that sounds so rude. I'm not going to show you my drawers. Let's get on to this insane light. This light is absolutely mental. And my husband hates it because he works at this desk too. And he just shouts every time he gets up from the desk and smacks his head on the light. Truth is, this is a filming light. So if you see any YouTube videos, what I normally do is pull down the blinds, use this light because I can control everything and make sure everything looks super good. I'm not doing that on this video because it's a bit of a vlog and it's a bit haphazard. Plus I want to show you the light and the rest of the studio as it is, as I would normally be working from. To the left-hand side or behind the desk, making out like this is a huge room. It is not, it's tiny, is my sofa. Little IKEA desk there. Some shelving, and then some She Who Dares wins. Banners. Shameless plug, you can get one of those on www.shewhodareswins.com. They're amazing. Hang them on your wall. Fly the flag, ladies. Fly the flag. Whoa, next up is this sofa area, which I also use as a new backdrop for some YouTube videos. As you can see, I normally sit here when I'm shooting the videos and have the light behind me. The reason why I do that is because I actually took something off the back wall here that was glued on with those amazing little stickers that don't ruin your wall. Well, guess what? They do. So that's what that heap of mess is there, which is soon to be tidied up. And on the wall here is a picture of my favourite movie of all time called The Blurs with Tom Hanks. If you haven't seen it, then, well, quite frankly, you're dead to me. No, seriously, go and check it out. It's an amazing movie. On the bookcase over here, I have a whole bunch of cameras. So this was like the first ever camera that I had for vlogging, which was the Canon S110, which is, I think, the first camera Casey Neistat, the most amazing YouTube blogger, had. It's broken. The zoom doesn't work on it, but this got me through all kind of like the early travel vlogs that you will see on my YouTube channel. Second up was, I think this was like the upgrade. Again, it's completely busted up. It's been smashed around both on holiday and on site. And this was the last one to die. So yeah, the Canon, this was an amazing one. This lasted probably me about 6 to 9 months, but probably one of the best cameras to be vlogging on. And I think the newer version of this is amazing too. And then a cheeky little Polaroid camera, which, to be honest, I don't use very often because I'm really lame at getting the little Polaroid refills. But there you go. That's the cameras that I use. And then the bookshelf, it's a bit of a mess, but on there are some pretty cool books from authors that have inspired me and anything that I want to use for reference. Let's just take a minute to appreciate the chair. It's none other than an IKEA chair. But I don't know, there's something about tan leather that just makes me go, I sound so much like Ron Burgundy now. All right, that's it, folks. You've been blinded by the light. You've sniffed my leather. You see where all the creative shit goes down. Come back next week for a new video. Hit that subscribe button. Hit a like if you like this video and go ahead and comment down below. And yeah, see you real soon.